Now, on average, Ben, what is the due diligence on something like this? If you're going to write it, when you're going to put an offer in on a property, what is the due diligence period? I know if you're just going to
Sure.
buy a house, it might be 7 days, something like that. What is the difference between, we'll say, buying a house and putting an offer in on it versus putting something in the healthcare space?
In deal to deal, in some cases, there are lengthy licensing periods. In some cases, there are issues with construction that need to be validated. And so those things will definitely move the length of time where you need to do due diligence up in cases, for instance, where business owners haven't been fully transparent with their expenses and income. That's a reality too. Sometimes it takes a lot more time to work through. Hasn't been in the case here, but I've certainly seen some balance sheets that raise a lot of questions, and questions take time. I'd say the more complicated the deals, sometimes it can take up to 6 months, even longer, depending on what else is happening. And in other cases, I mean, it can be, I like 90 days personally. I think that's a good standard for a decent deal. But yeah, it could be anywhere in between there, really, depending on the factors.